In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear TradingView Mobile chart. If your screen is packed with drawings, lines, or indicators and you just want a clean view, this quick walkthrough will help you reset things without confusion. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in and on the latest version so the menus look familiar. From the main navigation bar at the bottom, tap Charts. This takes you straight to your active chart. If the toolbars disappear, just tap the chart once to bring them back so you can see the controls we'll use. Next, look for the pencil icon near the bottom of the screen. That pencil is your drawing tools hub. Tap it, and you'll see options that control what's visible on your chart. Choose Hide Drawings to instantly clear all lines, shapes, and annotations from view without deleting them. This is great when you want a cleaner look but might need those notes later. If you want more control, tap the three dots in that same area to open additional options for hiding. Remember, hiding is temporary and reversible, so it's the safest way to declutter fast. If indicators are the problem, you can remove them as well. Look for the Remove Indicators option on the chart controls. This strips indicators off your chart in one go. For more actions, open the three dots menu again to find options related to removal. Keep in mind, removing indicators deletes them from the chart layout, so their custom settings won't stay. If you're unsure, consider hiding indicators first using their visibility toggles, then remove them only if you're committed to starting fresh. A quick tip, if you remove something by accident, use the undo arrow right away to bring it back. Also, changes you make apply to the current chart layout, so you can keep a separate clean layout if that fits your workflow. That's it. Open the app, go to Charts, use the pencil to hide drawings, and remove indicators when needed. Enjoy your clean, focused TradingView mobile chart.